Doen dit jouself. Want enige mens kan 'n toasted kaasbroodjie maak met 'n strykyster.
I is for iron hacks.
That is why, FYI, today's episode is filled with some fun things I bet you didn't know you could do with your iron. Let's go! First up, let's do some fabric printing with flowers. I'm using these little carnations and some pansies. Place them face down on your fabric. I'm sticking my flowers down onto the fabric using some masking tape. It's hammer time! Ding, 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 ding. Peel off your flowers. Wow, beautiful. There's it. Run over it with the iron. This is going to seal the flower print. So therapeutic. Peekaboo. Farewell. This is what the princesses do on the train when they say goodbye to the prince. They wave their little hanky out the window. Suzelle, what are you doing with those bottle tops? Well guys, we're going to upcycle them into some coasters. Lay down a piece of baking paper. Make a little design out of your bottle tops. A little flower. Cute. Cover with another piece of baking paper. Take your iron and lay it gently down onto your bottle tops. And now we wait. Create, don't hate. That's what I always say. Now that our bottle tops are cooled, we can peel off our paper. How's this for plastic upcycling? There's it, there's it, there's it. Here's an easy way to seal up your little packets of snacks and biscuits and goodies. Take a little piece of baking paper, lay it on, and seal it up. It's like a DIY vacuum sealer. Peel it. Signed, sealed, and delivered. It's so easy. Now let's make some bangles out of bottles. Cut some rings out of your bottles. I'm decorating the inside of my bangles with permanent markers. Looks so stunning. Very carefully hold up your rings onto the iron and see how it seals the edges. Last enetjie. Look at this. Have you ever? This looks like stained glass. Bangles that I bought in Italy. Can tell people. Venetian glass. And now for my favorite trick of all, DIY toasties. Start by buttering both sides of your bread. Oh, this is my favorite Sunday night dinner of all time. Pop your cheese into the middle, close it. Gently press your iron down onto your sandwich and let it rest there. Turn over to the other side, final little press, and there we go. Let's eat it. DIY, because anybody can get crafty with an iron. Oh, toasted cheese, you are my one true love.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit the bell notification. Click it, I dare you. Oh, guys, and I'm killing it on TikTok, eh? I thought now I'm too old. But there are some old people on TikTok. Go check it. Go click my TikTok. Jay is gonna be next. Can't wait.